Hi, to make display never sleep on iPhone 16e. First thing first, open settings. Now in your main settings, you need to find section display and brightness, click it, and scroll down. So here we are interested in auto lock, so let's tap it. And now if you want to make your display never sleep, then click on this option, never, and note that it may use more energy with this setting. But your screen will never turn off automatically. It will turn off just when you decide to do this by pressing the power button. And yeah, that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.